Hi everyone, it's Aga with Eureka-exclusive, and I'm here with a product spotlight for you. And before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. So today's video is going to be all about our GleamCraft Findings brand, and I'm going to explain to you very briefly what it is all about, how it works, and what you can get when you go to the GleamCraft category on our website. So you know how at Eureka we have collections, which we release usually monthly, and they are unique, they are very limited, but they mostly contain beads. They are themed, and you love them in general, but we thought, why don't we have something like this, but with findings? So GleamCraft Findings is a Eureka-exclusive brand of findings that are released in limited series every, I would say, quarter, and they are themed. So each series is themed. They are limited, and generally they don't come back, so they are sold out. You won't see them again. But if you like a particular type of finding, we get them and put them in our offer permanently, and these we call GleamCraft Regulars. So you can find different series, and a series that's called GleamCraft Regulars that's just going to stay. One more thing that differentiates GleamCraft Findings series from our collections is that you can get our collection like in a bunch, in a whole, in one package. And the GleamCraft Findings you can just get like regular products. So you can get just one clasp or one charm according to what you like. But the general intention behind GleamCraft Findings is that we wanted to deliver themed series of high quality findings that are really unique, and you can only get them at Eureka Crystal Beads. So let me tell you a little bit about the series that we had so far. So we had this Egyptian themed series. This was called Ancient Sands, and we had, for example, these lovely bails. We had these ear wires that I made earrings with, these lovely tube beads, and everything was kept in this sort of antique gold color, antique brass, and it had this ancient type of feel. More recently, this year, we released our Classic Essence series, which contained findings that were gold-plated, that were white gold-plated, like these little connectors. They are not silver, they're white gold, and they have little rhinestones in them. So they're really, really top quality. They're simple, but they're shiny and they're pretty. And yeah, they're really classy. These are, of course, just some examples of the series. You can find more, of course, at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. And now, the main star of this show today is our latest series of GleamCraft Findings. This series is called Secrets of Atlantis, and it is widely inspired by the underwater world and the seaside. So in this series, you have findings that are mostly in gold, and these are 18K gold plated mostly. Most of them, they are really, really shiny and top quality. As you can see, there's a lot of charms and a lot of these spacer beads like these, and I really love this antique copper patina finish. It's really pretty, so that's another of the finishes that you can find in this series. And some of these findings, the more essential ones that you can see in gold, like these earring posts, they will also be available in silver finish. And as I said, it's a really pretty collection with top quality findings. Here, let me just show you some absolutely cute metal beads or spacers, depending on what you want to call them. You can make really pretty bracelets with them. I just can imagine just a piece of string, tie it on both sides. You can put like a bead with a letter on it, and you have a perfect tiny little bracelet that you can take with you to the seaside. So pretty. So you just put this on an ear wire, hang down one of these, and look how pretty this is going to look. You just put this on a little bit of a head pin. You can make entire combinations of these. You really don't need much. And you have a beautiful piece of jewelry. Absolutely gorgeous. There's little fishies, little stars, really tiny, seashells, and some octopus. And the fun thing about these and the other charms that we'll have in silver is that, as I said, they're mostly white gold, 18K gold, or silver plated. So nothing should happen to them should you take them to the beach and take a stroll in the water with them. So this is our GleamCraft Findings brand. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation and explanation of what is it all about. Let us know down in the comments what should be the theme of the next series and what should be the colors of the next series. Meanwhile, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!